Hello there, we're going to go through how to use the lat pull down machine safely and effectively to help support your muscle growth. So first thing you want to do is you're going to want to take a seat. Undo the seatbelt and in we come. Now, to do the seatbelt up, it's much like any other car seatbelt. You click them together, pull the strap nice and tight. So, setting up the height then. What we want to do is to be able to reach up to the horizontal bar so that our fingertips can touch. Now for this, there's a yellow lever underneath the seat. You pull that up and the seat will drop down. Remember, you are attached to it, so brace through the legs, pull the lever up, let yourself slide down a bit, release the lever, and you should be in the right height. So for me, I can't get my palms on the handle, so that is the right height for me. We can adjust the weight that we need to using the pins. They go up in 5s. The small yellow tab at the top adds on 2.5. So if we want to go in between a 5 and a 10, we can use a 5, push the tab in, we get 7.5 to be an in-trim level. To start the exercise, we want to hold the vertical grips, pull down slightly, and then change hands to the horizontal grip and pull down to the collarbone. Under control, let the weight go up and pull down, breathe out to the collarbone. If you can get past the collarbone, the weight's too light for you, okay? You really need to be going up the weight so you can manage about somewhere between 8 and 15 reps. When you're done, let the weight go up, control that final little portion, press the red button on the seatbelt to release, and as you stand up, watch out for the handles and do the seatbelt up to keep it nice and tidy, ready for the next person.